My dear children, welcome to the EBS online class. Hope you all are staying safe and happy at home. In our previous class, we have completed lesson 6, force, work and energy. In this lesson, we studied about force, effects of force, different kinds of force, work, 6 types of simple machines, energy, forms of energy and sources of energy. Hope you all have understood this lesson very well. Shall I ask you some questions? What is force? The push or pull that act on an object is called force. Which are the different types of force? Muscular force, elastic force, gravitational force, frictional force and mechanical force are the different kinds of force. Which are the 6 types of simple machines? Yes, lever, pulley, wheel and axle, wedge, screw and inclined plane are the 6 types of simple machines. What is energy? The capacity to do work is called energy. I hope all of you have studied well. Now we have to do the text exercises. So let's do it now. Open your textbook, page number 59.
Section A. Choose the correct options. First question. With what force does every object in the universe attract other objects near it? Answer is gravitational force. You can tick option B, gravitational force. Second question. What is the force that makes a material resist stretching and go back to its original state? Answer is option C, elastic force. Third question. Which of these is not a simple machine? Answer is option C, bicycle. Fourth one. What is used to convert water energy to electrical energy? What is answer? Yes, option A, turbine. Then section B. Identify the simple machine. First question. A rod free to rotate about its fixed point. Answer is lever. Second question. Made of 2 inclined planes. Which simple machine is that? Yes, it is wedge. Third one, a slope. That is an inclined plane. Fourth one, a nail with a winding edge. That is screw. Fifth question, a grooved wheel with a rope passing around it. Answer is pulley. Then section C, fill in the blanks. First question, there are dash types of simple machines. There are 6 types of simple machines. Second question, the fixed point in a lever is called the fulcrum. Third one, the axe and the knife are examples of wedges. Fourth one, the energy that comes from flowing water is called hydropower. Fifth question, steam from inside the earth is used to generate dash energy. It is geothermal energy.
So we have completed all the EVS portions from semester 2 textbook. Study well for your post midterm examination. All the best for your exam. Let's meet in the next class. Thank you.